This is happy, and he's been trained to detect COVID-19 in humans. It's a promising development, though not yet definitive science. Early results from several studies show man's best friend can indeed sniff out coronavirus infection with a high degree of accuracy, and that's helping bring the public back to business and entertainment venues.
So this is our first event back in 10.5 months, which is a really long time. We're normally one of the busiest buildings in the world. So first event back, whether it's a heat game or a concert, we've done a lot to improve the safety protocols to adapt to COVID.
Let's go Heat!
Thursday night, the American Airlines Arena, home to the Miami Heat basketball team, reopened to a limited number of fans with the unique assistance of a canine unit.
How does it feel to be back?
It feels great. I'm super excited.
How do you feel about the safety?
I think this is super good and we feel like worthless, you know?
It feels great. It feels great.
The dogs walk by each person and sniff their hand. If the dog keeps walking, you're clear to enter. If the dog sits next to you, you and your party will be offered health information, a refund, and no entry to the arena. According to experts, COVID-19 produces a unique odor associated with metabolic changes in those infected, resulting in scents that dogs can detect.
Their olfactory senses are so sensitive that they can smell very specific components of anything that would have an odor, to include COVID, and then with imprinting, positive reinforcement, and repetition with the dog to get them to understand that their reward system is tied to having a positive indication in that odor.
This canine unit is one more item in the toolbox for businesses to safely resume operations. These dogs can screen around 360 people per hour.
Using sniffer dogs is nothing new. Canine units routinely assist in bomb detection, drug busts, and even cancer diagnosis. COVID-19 detection dogs will also start working at Florida International University this spring as part of the school's effort to safely bring students back to campus.
You know, the virus is caused by or spread by aerosols, and so these aerosols and shed skin cells that may have viruses, that type of thing, that could be deposited on surfaces, allows the dogs to alert us that it needs to be decontaminated or cleaned better.
Trainers say dogs become more proficient with practice, and with early studies showing an accuracy rate above 90%, it's likely this eager force will become a new safety fixture at more venues around the world. Nitza Soledad Perez, CGTN, Miami.